How to select multiple pictures on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. If you want to select multiple pictures from here, then go to the top right corner and tap on the Select button. You can now select as many pictures as you want over here. If you want to delete these pictures, then tap on the Delete icon at the bottom. All the selected pictures will then be deleted at once. Following these steps, you can easily select multiple pictures on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.